𝐕0.9 or 5.
1095,
Eva 006 Heavy at Juliet, give way to the American exiting from your right, then continue via Bravo, Charlie 10.
Juliet, give way to the American from my right, and Bravo to Charlie 10, Eva 006. Ground, yes, 04, ready for
City out 04, proceed via right turn on Charlie, we'll go to Charlie 6 for now.
Right turn Charlie, hold short Charlie 6, city out 04. American 14, crossing 25 right, 10 Juliet, 4 Charlie 9 Alley.
Code 11, transfer on your rail aircraft, TV visible.
Bravo, taxi via Bravo, Charlie 9er.
Right, Bravo, Charlie 9, American 14.
Ground, good morning, FedEx 3021 Heavy, deploys from FedEx Ramp Gate 1.
FedEx, what's the numbers again?
3021, I believe.
FedEx 302 Heavy, are you in Alpha 2 or Alpha 3?
Alpha 3.
FedEx 3021 Heavy, suspect cruise tail west on Alpha, runway Q5 right, can you accept intersection Foxtrot?
Okay, we're clear to push on to Alpha, tail west, and we can accept 25, we can accept 25 right from Foxtrot.
Thank you, sir. Expect that. Information expected now, sir. FedEx 321 Heavy.
Alright, thanks a lot. We have Quebec, FedEx 3021 Heavy.
Officer Roger. Cobra 383, San Francisco ground is Kilo current, altimeter is 2968, range 28 left taxi, left on Bravo, expect further. Sky was 5446, continue via Foxtrot at Foxtrot, crossway 1 right. 28 left, departure winds 1007.
Sky 3025, Elegant to right on Bravo, taxi via Bravo, Charlie 5, Charlie.
Right, Bravo, Charlie 5.
Yeah. City out 04, continue via Charlie to the gate.
Ground, our unit 301, ICC cargo number 3, ready for taxi.
Air Union 301 Heavy, runway, do you have numbers for intersection Foxtrot, runway 25 right?
We request full length, please.
Air Union 301 Roger, expect runway 25 right full length now. Taxi via Alpha, hold short of taxiway Foxtrot.
Okay, runway 25 right, taxi via Alpha, hold short Foxtrot, our unit 301.
Air Union 301 Heavy, monitor tower 120.9 or 5, have a good day.
20.905, good day, our unit 301.
Flying 418 Heavy, contact the north ground 121.65.
Ground, China 8134, clearing 5 left of Leva, going to South Pad 1.
98134 Heavy, yellow ground taxi via Alpha. Just verify, going to South Pad 1 or 3?
Our dispatch told us South Pad 1.
981, if I closer to Alpha 8 for now, just double check with them because Alpha 3 is available, that's what we're showing, but Alpha 1 is occupied.
Roger, we'll recheck here for 8134.
Hold short Alpha 8 for now, please, 98134 Heavy.
Roger, hold short Alpha 8, China 8134.
Ground control, legacy 580, Mike Lima, Atlantic, deviation with information ready for taxi.
November 580, Mike Lima, LA ground, 8 Quebec, thank you, runway 25 right, taxi via Alpha, hold short of taxiway Golf for now.
Okay, 25 right via Alpha, hold short of Golf, legacy 580, Mike Lima.
Cobra 383 at Foxtrot 1, cross 91 left, cross 91 right, continue to get Foxtrot for 28 left. Cobra 383 affirmative, give way to the vehicle ahead at Foxtrot 1. He's the one on 1 right. Sky was 5446 here in Scope Tower, running 28 left departure, wind 120 at 4, running 28 left for takeoff.
Chinese 134, we are going to South Pad 3.
Last one, y'all say again?
Yes, sir. Drive 8134.
United
We are going to
1657 Heavy San Francisco Tower.
Anyone to Roger, continue via Alpha departure. Thank you.
Roger. Continue via Alpha Depart. Drive
United 1657.
American 49 Alpha, LA ground. CG is Charlie.
Sky was 5446, wind 110 at 5, running 28 left for takeoff.
Alpha Dex 3021 Heavy, taxi Central Bay.
Static 3021 Heavy, taxi straight ahead Alpha, hold short of taxiway Foxtrot.
Alpha, hold short of Foxtrot, FedEx 3021 Heavy.
Number 0, Mike Lima, continue via Alpha, hold short of Foxtrot.
Alpha and hold short of Foxtrot.
Engine 20, no Bravo, go proceed via Charlie, Lima, hold short of Kilo 1. FedEx 3021 Heavy, monitor tower 120.905.
Alright, monitor tower, FedEx 3021 Heavy. Have a good morning.
2. November 0, Mike Lima, again, Alpha short of Foxtrot, you can monitor tower 120.905. Have a good day.
Alright, Alpha, hold short and 120.905.
American 46 Charlie, on the ground, please check your discretion in Bravo 1. Eagle 09 Bravo, contact the ramp 131.07.
Sky was 5446, contact NorCal.
For departure, session 446, okay.
Alright. Cobra 383, wind 1007, running 28 left for takeoff.
Bravo, Juliet.